The credit game has changed completely. And I can prove it to you with 2 questions. How many of you are aware of what your credit score is? 99% of you can tell me what your credit score is right now. 99% of you will not be able to answer this question. What is your wealth score? Yes, wealth score. Well, I can tell you why your wealth score is important. Because 99% of the people think their credit score is important until they run up against a wall where they can't get access to more credit. All right? They have a 750 or 800 credit score and they can't figure out why their credit limits are still lower than 10,000 or 20,000. They can't figure out why they can't get the jumbo home loan, why they can't get more lines of business credit, why they can't get the consolidation loan that they want so they can consolidate their credit cards, why they can't get the black card or the preferred cards that they want, why they can't get approved for the ultra luxury cars or the exotic cars that they want. I can tell you why. Because you're focused on your credit score, and the lenders, credit issuers, anyone that's dealing with giving money or extending credit are not focused on the credit score. They're focused on other scoring models like the wealth score, and they're definitely not focused on your credit reports because there's too many credit reports to look at. But they are focused on 3 things that comprise the wealth score that I'm telling you now, 99% of the people in the industry don't share with you this insight that I'm about to share with you. The 3 things that comprise a wealth score that bankers and lenders are now focused on more than your credit score, because your credit score is only to help lenders determine your ability to pay liabilities. But your wealth score is used to determine your net worth. Yes, your net worth. That creditors and credit issuers want to know who has the highest net worth, because if they need to levy or lien against your assets, because after giving you lines of credit, high loans, high credit card limits, loans for ultra cars or luxury cars, whatever they give you credit for nowadays, they want to know that they can get their money back if you don't perform or pay. The 3 things that they're looking at from the wealth score that will easily tell your net worth is if you have 1, land. Yes, land. 2, aircraft. Yes, helicopters, planes, aircraft. 3, if you have watercraft. The richest people on the planet have those 3 things. They have vast amounts of land, or they have vast amounts of real estate, or they have aircraft and they show you that they fly around privately. Or they have watercraft. They show you their boats, their yachts. Your wealth score also gives insight if you have those assets, which then if you have a high wealth score, it lets bankers and lenders know you have some of those assets. If you have a low limit score or low wealth score, it lets the bankers and lenders know you don't have any of those assets. So you then get approved for lower limits, less credit, less loan amounts, less business loans, less personal loans. So I want to share with you where to find your wealth score, and I want to share with you some other reports that these creditors and bankers are looking at that will help you 10x your access to more credit approvals. I mean, potentially everyone can get access to more credit if they know these 3 things that I'm going to teach you if you want to learn on a call. Okay, all you have to do is book a call with me. I'm going to show you how to get credit cards. I mean, this is over 60 credit cards, 16.2 ounces of credit. It's almost $1 million in credit, and my black card is in here. I want to show you how to get access to that. I want to show you how to get a luxury car like this Rolls Royce. I want to show you how to get a car like this Lamborghini here. Okay, I want to show you how to get a house like the one I live in this picture here. Okay, and if you don't believe me, I've been sharing this with my private inner circle and some of my mentees, right? I spoke at Office Depot. You can see the creative for that speech here. I was their keynote speaker, and they sent out this creative to everyone in the 4 companies they own. And I had about 200 or 300 people on the call. Here's some of the written responses that they said about the call. I shared with them their wealth score and the 3 assets that the wealth score takes in consideration: the land, the aircraft, and the watercraft. But I also share with them some other keys. The talk was called the 4 keys to building wealth. And there's some components or some other secret reports other than your credit reports that I want to share with you that will help you potentially 10x your access to more credit if you can see and find out what's on these reports as well. So take the time out to book a call. I'll give you on the call some free gifts. I'll give you my book, From Homeless to Black Cards, where I taught 12 years ago in that book everything you need to know about credit repair. 2, I'll give you my Wealth Score Expert book, everything that you need to know about your wealth score so you can read about it after our call. All right, so hit the link somewhere around here in this video and book the call with me, and let's see if we can get you to potentially 10x your chance to access to more credit. All right, and the call will be about 10 or 15 minutes. I look forward to seeing you on that call.